Hello guys, I'm here to show you how to change ringtones in OnePlus mobile. First we have to go to the settings option from here and click search and click on sound and vibrations. There is the option ringtones and click on classic themes. There are a lot of ringtones here. Default, you can choose it here, or you can, if you have saved ringtones, just click on this device and click on recordings. Just select it and it's done. And you can change notification tone also, and this method applies on same classic themes. And there are a lot of ringtones, and both have same settings. Thank you.